Inside this video, I will show you how you can get paid per click and how you can make over $20 only spending minutes online per day. Stay tuned. Hi there, I'm Trevor McAfee, and today I am going to show you how you can get paid for every click that you make. No affiliate marketing, no SEO, not selling anything, and it's 100% beginner friendly. And it is worldwide available. Today I want to talk to you about a website called SERPCLICKS.com. SERPCLICKS is a company that pays you to help users rank their websites within search engine results. They pay anywhere between 5 and 10 cents per click. By using their Firefox extension, it easily identifies the site to visit. It copies the search phrase directly to your clipboard. Just paste it into a Google search and find the highlighted website. It's that simple. Now, before we dive in, if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon, because this is about making money online in 2020 and beyond every single day. I'm going to bring you work from home strategies and how you can make money from the comfort of your own home. Click the subscribe button now to get updates every time I release a new video. I release new videos about twice a week, and it's all about building a lifestyle that fits you. SERPCLICKS is a crowdsourced traffic solution to improve SEO rankings. So users will post their jobs and links that they want to improve within SERPCLICKS. Clickers, like you and me, provide real human traffic to their links and websites. So here we are at the SERPCLICKS clickers area. As you can see, you get paid to visit websites, anywhere between 5 and 10 cents per click. SERPCLICKS has been around since 2016, so it's a decent platform for you to try out. Now, the requirements are that you have to use a Firefox or Microsoft Edge browser. You just install the extension. The extension will detect automatically where you are located and your IP address. Don't use VPNs to change your location because it is against their terms of service. Now, when you launch the browser and extension, you will see the postings that you have available. This page auto refreshes, so there's always new jobs available. So let's jump into the members area. Once you sign up and you're in the My Account tab, you're going to see instructions on how to get started. The instructions on how to install the SERPCLICKS browser extension and sign in are on this page. After you've logged into the extension and click the green icon, it will load a new tab with everything available to you. So here we are inside the extension. As you can see, there's a couple of tasks that I can do here. So all you do is you just click on it, hit Control V, and it automatically puts in the keyword it's looking for. And then all you do is you scroll through the pages. You don't click on any of the ads, and then you scroll through to find the one that's highlighted here, and you just click on it. Then you'll see up in the top corner that the countdown is giving you how long you have to stay on the page. So you just kind of go on the page, wait till the countdown is done. But it's also good to click on some of the information that's in here. It likes to look and make it look like you're a human visitor. So you just click through some of the playlists, wait for it to count down. You can click over to other pages while it counts down. As you can see, if I click over here, I'm off the page, but it is still counting down. But to be fair, I'm going to click on some of these things, let it count down.
For years, I've told you.
All right, so as soon as it's done, it's going to flip to this screen, and you're just going to wait about 30 seconds for it to process, and then you'll see it automatically appear that it's good. So you can see the countdown here. This will disappear, and then we can go back into our account, and you'll automatically see that it's put into your earnings. So we ran out the timer, so you can see that it's gone. So if we go back to our account here and go under My Earnings, you can see that I've done 3. So I've signed up within the last, I don't know, maybe half an hour, 45 minutes. I've done some other things, but I've done 3 and I've already made 25 cents. So it's pretty easy to use. You have to use Firefox. They have a Firefox extension, but it's pretty easy. You run it in the background. You just click on a couple links. What you will see is there's not always a lot in here, so the page will continue to refresh on itself. But when you see some come up, just click on it, follow the instructions, and that's it. It's pretty easy. Once you reach the $5 payout threshold, you can request your balance be sent to you through PayPal. The site won't make you rich, but it's a good way to make a few bucks while you're at home in your spare time. I hope you guys liked the video, learned something useful, and put it to use. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked what you saw today. Make sure to click the subscribe button to get notified on my next video. You guys take care, and I'll see you soon.